The Xfinity modem's blinking green light is an indication of an unstable internet connection. Several factors can cause this issue, including software glitches, faulty or damaged cables, overloading, and overheating. To resolve the problem, start by power cycling the modem. Unplug the power cable, wait for about a minute, and then reconnect it, allowing the lights to stabilize. Next, inspect the cables for damage and ensure they are securely connected to the modem. If necessary, replace any damaged cables. Disconnecting unnecessary devices connected to the modem may also help resolve the issue. Additionally, consider relocating the modem to a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. By following these steps, you should be able to stop the green blinking light and stabilize your internet connection.